Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariam Edebos. Today we are making mango juice. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video and make our mango juice. We are going to use only 3 ingredients to make our mango juice. And I have 2 oranges here. It looks like tangerine, but this is not tangerine, okay? This is actually oranges. And somebody may ask, why are you making mango juice and now here comes oranges too? The secret is that if you add orange juice to your mango juice, it enhances the taste, okay? Just 1 large of orange or 2 is okay. It will do the job perfectly. This is my bestie's recipe, okay? And I also have my frosted mangoes here. This was frozen for about 4 hours, and it can be more than that. It can even be in the deep freezer for about 24 hours and you are still good to go. Last I made a video on how to make mango ice cream, and a lot of people were asking me that can I blend my mango fruit without putting it in the deep freezer? And the answer is yes, but then if you froze it first before blending it, it makes your mango juice thick and also give it this honey-like consistency. That is why you see people freezing their fruits first before blending it. That is just the secret, okay? I will begin by peeling off the skin of the oranges, and trust me guys, these were freshly washed, so don't forget to wash your fruits, okay? Alright, we are done with the peeling. So I'll now go ahead and remove all the seed in the orange because I don't want my juice to taste bitter. And I'm doing this because I'll be blending the orange and the mangoes all together. So I need to do this and remove all the seeds. Yeah, we are done with this part, and you can see I've removed all the seed in it. If you have orange squeezer, there's no need to go through all this stress. Just squeeze out your juice and add it to your mango juice. So simple. But if you don't have orange squeezer, then go by my method, okay? Just blend everything together. So guys, mango is going out of season. How fully have you enjoyed yellow sissy? I did. What about you? We are gonna miss these fruits, yeah? No doubts. And I'll go ahead and add my orange to it since I don't have orange squeezer. So because I'll be adding water today, so I have to add some sweetener to that, and I'm using white sugar. You can use honey, okay? And the best sweetener to use when you are making fruit juice is treacle. I'll try and make a video on how to make treacle at home. So I'm going to give this a blend. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I am back. And I'm gonna strain this because I want a very smooth consistency, and because of the essence fiber in mangoes, no matter how you blend it, you have to strain it to get that smooth consistency. Voila, the sweet is a little bit down, so I'm adding the remaining sugar to it. Now everything is perfect and our mango juice is ready. You don't need to buy this outside, okay? It's so simple and easy to make at home. And when you make something on your own, you know how natural it is, okay? And it's time to serve. Purely natural mango juice. You saw it yourself. No any additive. Purely natural. Wow, very attractive, and this is very yummy. Yeah, trust me. Look at that, so beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. If you do enjoy this video, please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.